Alright, I'm at 928 Single Oak Lane in Elyria. Customer here wants to do something similar to this. 2 feet wide river rock bed. Just get a quick measurement here. We're going to keep this 2 feet going around. These donuts around the sprinkler heads, he wants to keep. So we're not going to move those. Alright, so about 60. So it's going to be this side and the opposite side, so about 120 feet. And I have a sample of the rock that they would like. It's going to be like a black bagged rock from Lowe's. They said they got it. So that's going to be one line item. And obviously we're going to do the same down this side. Then a separate line item, he would like just like a foot in this mulch bed of that rock because he doesn't like how this edge is. So we'll pull back the mulch, re-edge it, weed fabric. So that's about 72 feet that we would do. That's it.